AI for Sustainable Finance, a Responsible Framework. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force across industries, and finance is no exception. In recent years, its potential to enhance efficiency, detect risks, and uncover investment opportunities has been widely recognized. However, as global challenges like climate change, inequality, and biodiversity loss intensify, the conversation is shifting toward how AI can be harnessed not just for profit, but for the greater good. In the realm of sustainable finance, where investments aim to generate positive environmental and social impact, AI holds immense promise. Yet, unlocking this potential requires a responsible framework that ensures AI is used ethically, transparently, and inclusively. The intersection of AI and sustainable finance. Sustainable finance refers to financial activities that take into account environmental, social, and governance (ESG) considerations in decision-making. This includes everything from green bonds and renewable energy projects to social impact funds and climate risk assessments. AI's ability to process massive datasets, detect patterns, and make predictive analyses can supercharge the effectiveness of sustainable finance initiatives. For example, AI can analyze satellite imagery to assess deforestation trends for ESG reporting or predict climate-related risks to infrastructure investments. In supply chain finance, AI can help identify sustainable suppliers by analyzing carbon footprint data and social compliance records. By accelerating insights, AI enables more informed decisions that align financial goals with sustainability objectives. Why a responsible framework is essential. While AI's benefits in sustainable finance are compelling, its deployment comes with risks. Poorly designed algorithms can perpetuate biases, overlook marginalized communities, or make opaque decisions that undermine trust. Moreover, the data used for AI models can sometimes be incomplete, outdated, or skewed toward specific geographies or demographics, leading to flawed conclusions. A responsible framework ensures AI in sustainable finance does more good than harm. This framework must address ethical, operational, and regulatory considerations, striking a balance between innovation and accountability. Key principles for a responsible AI framework in sustainable finance. 1. Transparency and explainability. AI systems must be transparent in their operations, especially when influencing investment decisions that affect livelihoods and the planet. Stakeholders, from investors to regulators, should be able to understand how AI arrived at its recommendations. Explainable AI tools that provide human-readable justifications can help build trust and enable oversight. 2. Data quality and inclusivity. The foundation of AI is data, and in sustainable finance, that data must be comprehensive, high quality, and representative. This means incorporating diverse datasets that capture the realities of both developed and developing markets. Inclusivity ensures that AI models do not overlook vulnerable populations or underrepresented regions, thus supporting equitable outcomes. 3. Ethical governance and oversight. Organizations must establish governance structures to oversee AI use in sustainable finance. This includes ethics committees, AI audit protocols, and policies to prevent misuse. Such oversight ensures that AI applications align with ESG principles and comply with relevant regulations. 4. Environmental impact of AI systems. While AI can help advance sustainability goals, its own carbon footprint, stemming from energy-intensive computations, must be addressed. Firms should adopt green AI practices, such as using energy-efficient algorithms, optimizing model training, and sourcing renewable energy for data centers. 5. Human-AI collaboration. AI should augment rather than replace human expertise in sustainable finance. Human judgment remains critical for interpreting complex ESG scenarios, contextualizing data, and making value-based decisions. A responsible framework prioritizes AI as a decision support tool rather than an autonomous decision-maker. 6. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. Sustainability challenges evolve rapidly, and so should AI systems. Continuous monitoring ensures that models remain relevant, accurate, and aligned with the latest ESG standards. Regular updates and recalibrations are essential to maintain performance and fairness. Practical applications of AI in sustainable finance. The responsible use of AI is already visible in various sustainable finance applications. Climate risk assessment. AI models can analyze climate projections, flood patterns, and wildfire risks to inform infrastructure investments or insurance policies. Green investment screening. AI can quickly filter through thousands of companies, identifying those with strong sustainability practices or positive ESG ratings. Impact measurement. By analyzing sensor data, financial reports, and social media, AI can assess the real-world impact of investments, from CO2 reductions to job creation. Fraud and greenwashing detection. AI can detect inconsistencies in ESG disclosures, helping to expose greenwashing and ensure accountability. Challenges to overcome. Despite the progress, several challenges must be addressed for AI to fully support sustainable finance. Data gaps. In many regions, sustainability data is scarce or unreliable, limiting AI's accuracy. Bias and fairness. Without careful design, AI can inadvertently amplify existing inequalities in access to finance. Regulatory uncertainty. Global sustainability and AI regulations are still developing, creating uncertainty for organizations seeking compliance. Technical complexity. Building explainable, energy-efficient AI systems requires advanced expertise and resources that may not be accessible to all financial institutions. Building a global standard. To truly scale responsible AI in sustainable finance, global collaboration is key. Governments, regulators, financial institutions, AI developers, and civil society must work together to create harmonized standards. These could include shared ESG data taxonomies, AI ethics certifications, and global benchmarks for sustainable AI practices. International bodies like the United Nations, the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, and the Financial Stability Board, FSB, could play pivotal roles in establishing these guidelines. Such collaboration would promote consistency, reduce duplication, and ensure that responsible AI frameworks are applied across borders. Thanks for watching. If you believe technology should power a greener and fairer future, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest insights. Share this video with your network and let us know in the comments how you think AI can transform sustainable finance. Together, we can shape a smarter and more responsible financial world.